Welcome back to Muraz Mufsar TV. Iron ring. Many people ask me how do I use iron ring. Iron ring is used mainly in Wing Chun, but you can also use your boxing and kickboxing techniques, especially as far as trapping is concerned with that. Iron ring serves two purposes. Because it constantly moves around your forearm, it toughens your bones here. And at the same time, the second function of it, which is the main function I would say, is that it makes sure that your hands are kept together. For example, let me just give you one example first without having it in my hand. Imagine I just keep in Wing Chun, and then when I'm here, I defend and strike, defend and strike. This is traps and strike, right? So if I want to come here, here's this. You know that they have the same concept in boxing. For example, if I punch, right, I can defend and jab, right? So boom, 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 boom. You see that? The same concept is in boxing or in Kyokushin, right? For example, in Kyokushin, we have this concept of kasahu. When I come here, I do like that. I do like this and this. So many martial arts and moves overlap each other. So imagine I move, one of the moves is you move forward, and then now look, I can defend and punch. Look at this. It forces your hands to be together, or I can defend and punch. Look at this. I can come here, defend, punch, defend, punch. I can come here, defend, punch, and you can come here, defend, punch. Look how it forces my hands to stay together. And that's the whole idea behind it. Even when I do this, and I punch, then you can do the kick. The whole thing is that, or you can move backward, right? You move backward and punch. You move backward and punch, you see? And sometimes, as you can see, you can keep this and kick. So it again gives you, forces you to keep your hand and do not open your hand as some kickers do, which is wrong. It forces you, your hand to keep your guard closed at all time. And also, of course, it's just an introduction. Later on I can teach you if you wish. I can do a palm strike, right? Look at palm strike. You can do palm strike. You can do eye jab, right? You can do eye jab. Hope you enjoyed it, and this was just a short introduction. Later on, I will give you more information on the iron ring and techniques if you wish. Just ask me. Thank you very much.